Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 3rd, 2023, and we have solved three puzzles this evening. Already solved three puzzles in this evening, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the last puzzle, the 4 stars Tectonic, 4 stars Tectonic, number 6862. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, for 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yes, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Do we have, next question, do we have here a dual box? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? I don't believe so. Triple boxes then. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? Let me see. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, I see here a quadra box and an L shape. In an L shape, here, those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the box near, or the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, let me check. Do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember it's rotated, this T shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T-shapes in this puzzle. Yeah, another one, a T-shape. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. There are a lot of these kind of shapes. Here we have another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 then. Alright. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1 here. Alright, and here we have another one. So this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1 again. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximal 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be for the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, let me mark those 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 4, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 here in this area, same area. So I cannot place the 4 there. The 5 should be here and is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 and I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 should be there then. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. This box can be a 1 and a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. These 2, this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 5 in this T-shaped area. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box, no, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4. Oh wait, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 there. But also that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 excuse me, is so it's not the solution place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here then. Alright. 2 two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here. 3 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be 4. So two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be a 2. Should be a 3. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Then. Let me think. Well. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 here. Okay. 1, 4. Well. This box can 3, 3, 3, 3. Interesting. Come on. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a double 5 there. Come on, this is taking too long. 5. No 2 here, no 2 there. 2. Well, this box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 cannot be in these two boxes. Here can also not be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there then. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Not the solution, place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. Yeah. Need to think. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 and, oh, yeah. Well. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. These two boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for us 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, okay. Come on. Well, this, no. What's happening? Well, 1, 2. 1, 2, 4, 3, or a 5 here. Think. 2, 3. Where's the 3? I need a 3 here. This box can be a 3. Oh, wait. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 3, 4, so 2 numbers left. 1 and a 5, yeah. 1 and a 5. 1, 2, 5. Okay, 1, 2. Here can be. This should be 2 or a 1 then. Let me think. Come on. Need a 2 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Overlooked something here. I'm stuck here. Unbelievable. 1, 2, 2, only 3. Come on. 1. What's happening now? 2, 3. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 1, because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 and 5 are left. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. So the 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. We go down, okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. It's a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Friday. I hope we have 2 regular medium or heavy or light Sudokus. Then I can do the speed test. Yeah, we have the speed test always the first Friday of the month. Well, we will see. Otherwise, I need to improvise that because the publisher has changed all the regular puzzles. Anyway, have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you tomorrow on Friday. Bye bye for now.